Today guys, we're back with another video, and we're going to be doing an unboxing of 2 Rubik's Cubes and 1 thing of lube. So let's get into it. I ordered 2 3x3s off of the Cubicle website, and I'm going to show you how they work. Okay, so we had to get some scissors to cut it open. Okay, so now let's get into what we have in here. Right here we have lube for our Rubik's Cubes. This came from the Cubicle website for like $1. And we have the Mofing MF3RS. It's black backsplash. And we also have the Yushin Little Magic 3x3. This came in a cardboard box. And finally we have the card from the Cubicle. Okay, so now let's open these. Okay, so I'm going to be opening the cube from the bottom just because I prefer it that way so I can save the box. And it has a very vibrant color scheme. Pretty smooth. See corner cutting pretty well. Okay, so some first turns. Pretty nice. And well, it's real fast, and it's got a nice middle, and I like how the stickers look because they're very vibrant, and it's got a nice yellow, nice blue, and a nice orange, and you can see the logo. Okay, so the next cube I'm going to be opening is going to be the Mofing MF3RS. On this one, I'm going to open it from the top because it's a different kind of box, and it's a little bit hard to open, not going to lie. Oh no, it ripped. Don't really care, it's just a box. And the instructions that are in a different language, don't really need those. Solve the cube, and then we finally have the Rubik's Cube. Ooh, kind of sandy. I'm gonna have to lube it later. And corner cutting. Okay, it's pretty good. It's got a nice color scheme. First turns, I'm kind of pretty impressed. It's better than my other one. Let's see the interior of the cube. Oh, well, never mind. That's hard to open. And corner cutting opposite. Oh, it's pretty good. I like it. Nope, can't do a full side. Oh, look it. You can do corner cutting 2 sides. Just kidding. Well, it's pretty cool. It's a nice one. I like it. Probably not gonna be my main. I think the other one's gonna be my main, but I like it. It's a nice cube if you're playing around with it. Definitely gonna need to. Okay, so today I lubed the cubes. I've done a few solves since the last video, or the last part of this video, and I think they are a lot better. My final thoughts on them are kind of like this one. It feels a lot like the plastic feels a lot better, and with this one the plastic kind of feels a lot cheaper, but it spins just as well. And overall, I kind of, after the lube and like solving it, I kind of like this one a little bit more. This one just kind of feels cheap and it's got the stickers like off place. This one's the Yushin Little Magic. It's like the stickers when they come, they're like off centered, and the plastic just kind of feels cheap. So if you're looking for a Rubik's Cube, I'd go with the Mofing over the Yushin Magic.